We are painting an orange Lamborghini, and the sketch is available on the description below. And I'm using as a base the 113 on Polychromos. And basically what I'm doing on this right side, I'm creating a light to dark. And I'm using the 113 to starting and the 111 to finish. And in the bottom part, I'm basically emphasizing the line. Now I'm putting black around the light. And I'm always using Meltz. Why using Meltz? Meltz is gonna give this beautiful shine to the painting. Usually I don't use Meltz as much, but like because the car is so flawless, the painting, so it gives this beautiful shine. If you don't use Meltz, it's not gonna look as realistic as it could be. And right beside the lights, I'm putting the 111 a little bit lighter. Again, with the around the light, I'm putting the 111 and Meltz again. Now with the light orange 111, I'm putting all the light parts. This is going to be 2 layers. The first layer is going to be a little bit lighter and the second is going to be a little bit darker. Now I'm creating the triangle, shades, and melts. I'm melting everything. Can you see how it looks already like different? It's just like the color just popped. Now I'm putting the second layer, the 113, and melts again. And basically I'm giving like a space. What it gives like this beautiful painting on the car, it's basic. You give like contrast between the colors, so lights and then dark, light and then dark. That's what it's gonna give the most realistic painting on the car. I'm adding the third layer on the front part with the 113, and on the light, the triangle, I'm adding the 186, which is a little bit brownish, so it gives like a little bit more like a shadow on this part. And on this part, I'm adding the 113. And I'm adding a little bit of 113 on this bottom part too. And now I'm emphasize all the black lines. And on the bottom part, instead of black, I'm using the 283, which is like a dark brown. And instead of the 113 on the bottom, this like bottom line, I'm using the 115 because it's like almost a reddish orange, so that's why. I always call this bottom part as a smile, like because it gives like a personality to the car. So this part is very important. So when you don't make when you're making a car, like, or even a person, the most important part of the car is like the front, and in the person is the face. So you have to make it right.